Well, hello to all my kids and community. And while these two make interesting lunch companions, really missing you all and look forward to seeing you soon. Be well.
Hello, JRMS and CHS community. I'm Mr. Lucas. I'm a math teacher at Conant High School. I'm a new teacher, so many of you may not know me very well, but I just wanted to offer some support and encouragement as much as I can during this difficult time. Hope this message finds you well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and hopefully I'll see you all soon.
Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I want you to know how much I miss you. I also want you to know that my goals are to keep community happening because we have a great community at Conant. Also to keep moving forward, but to try to do so with small steps that are stress-free or pretty low stress. I have to tell you how very impressed I am with Conant. People are caring, they're listening to each other, they're doing what needs to be done. I think we're leading the nation as far as how we're doing education and how you are as people. You are great. Keep it up and know that I miss you and care for you so much. You take care, and please keep washing those hands and keep staying away from each other physically, but totally in connection virtually. Thanks.
Hi guys, Miss Shaw here. I just wanted to say hi to all of you and that I miss all of you so much. We know this is really challenging times, and just remember to hang in there, get outside, check on each other, and take care of each other and take care of yourselves. And remember, in tough times, just remember this: a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Bye!
Hi Conant staff and students, I miss all of you. I'm still sporting my blanket.
Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't want to do this forever. I miss being around all of you, and I miss all of you, and I miss my colleagues, and I miss just being in that building. Not sure I'd never think I'd say that, right? Miss it as much as I do, but I do. But we're all New Englanders. We're all tough stuff, and we can get through this. I know we can. Why? Because we've got each other. And let's face it, as long as you got me on your side, you got love on your side. So hang in there.
Hey everybody, you got this. We're here to help.
Hi everyone, it's Wendy Chesney, your school nurse. I miss you guys a lot. Can't wait to see you again. Get a hold of me via Google Classroom if you need anything. I'm still here for you. Stay healthy and keep washing your hands.
Hi everyone. Just wanted to say how much I miss you. Can't wait to see all of you again. You're all so amazing. So take care of yourself. Hang in there. You've got this.
Hey everybody. I miss you. Take care. Be well. See you soon.
Hola, Senor McCarthy here saying hello to you all. Really miss you. Can't believe we're going through this incredible experience together. It's something we're all going to look back on and have amazing memories, I guess, one day. You're doing an awesome job with your classes. I think we're all in this learning together, and we're going to keep it up that way. And can't wait to be back and see you soon. And in the meanwhile, maybe if you drive by or run by or we see each other somewhere, we'll at least get to wave. Be good, guys. Take care of yourselves. Get outside. Get some exercise. Sleep well. Eat well. Think lots of good things. Ciao.
Hey everybody, Mr. Farrell here.
Miss Jack here.
And we're here at the high school missing you like crazy. All right, I can't wait till we're back in school together. And I'm still finding packets of mayo around my room. I'm looking at you, Aiden.
Hey, Krubles, I miss you a lot. I have no one to throw the magic moose to. Magic moose? Reindeer? Whatever. I miss throwing things at you.
We hope to see you guys soon, all right? Take care.
Bye, guys. Virtual high five on 3?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.